Utility stocks are in a very nicely bullish trend, but they're getting a bit overbought. Let's have a look at this. We noticed that utility stocks were getting very bullish as we headed into the spring period. You can see our market over software picked that up here, going from a bearish trend, that's the red background color, to neutral and finally into a bullish trend. We got a buy signal somewhere around the $65, $66 range. We're now nicely higher, 8%. That's a big move for utilities, but I think we're getting a bit overbought. When we look at utilities in a longer term perspective, we look at this here on a chart that is purely utilities, multi-year lens, they're just getting very overbought and stretched if we look at them from sort of as they relate to the moving averages. You can kind of see every time we get far enough below that set of moving averages, or above it for that matter, we tend to start pausing and mean reverting. So we really like utilities, but we would love to be able to pick them up a bit lower again at this point, and if one is long, maybe consider taking some profits. Can they drop 6-7% from here? They absolutely can, and I think that will be a more opportune entry point. Of course, wishes are like conditions. There's a lot of them, and it doesn't necessarily have to happen. But I think from a reward to risk perspective, being long utilities here, at least from a trading perspective, is probably not anymore as favorable as it was a number of weeks ago. Trend changes are important. So we see the utility having now shifted into a bullish trend. That's what the market rover told us. So we're still in a bullish trend, the green background color, and you can see how that trend changed from bearish to neutral to bullish. You can see that here. We had a bearish trend, right? Then into a neutral trend, and then finally into a bullish trend. If you would like to find out more of how you can maybe determine trend changes, again, we're going to mostly focus on this using the market rover. That's our process. But we're doing a special research call this week focusing on how we can determine when trends change, whether that's an individual stock or ETFs or a commodity or something different. Because trend change is really, that's the delta where the money's being made in the market. And so we think that's an important topic to be able to be knowledgeable of. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you sign up for this week's research call down below or on the next screen, and we'd love to see you there.